All right, guys. Today, we got a big day of football ahead of us. We got the Chicago Bears versus the Green Bay fucking Packers. Them fucking cheeseheads. Might cook up a couple hot dogs. Might get myself Italian beef. Maybe even some deep dish pizza. All I fucking know is I hope the Bears win. And I hope you guys are ready for some football.
John, you forgot your water!
First happened fire. When you and Gabe talk on the phone.
Sir, can you hear me?
Anybody home right
We're
now?
not home right now.
Are you able to get home? Your dog is on your roof.
What?
Yes, your dog is on the peak of your
Okay,
roof.
yeah, we're at the
The
park.
park here in
Yeah,
town?
right, the one right.
Okay, yeah, please get here because your dog is right on your
Okay.
roof. Thank you.
Up this bitch off the side of the road for free. She working. Hey guys, this is Noah. I want to show you what I'm eating for lunch today.
Pa' su puta madre, güey. ¿Qué putas quieres?